What's up, everyone? I made this application in Python that's a furniture tester of sorts. It's a really simple application, but it does have some fun functionality when you think about it. You could use this to take a picture of a piece of furniture or a painting or a piece of art that you might find somewhere, and then superimpose it upon a background of your house or your business or something like that. So this is just a personal project that I decided to take up, and I want you guys to check it out. So I'm calling it my digital furniture tester, although the name might change. So you upload a background image of your choice. Let's start with this one. And the idea is that I can erase furniture that's already there, and then I can put very basic background removed images of other furniture in place of it. All right, so let's see it. Let's see how it was. Let's see it in action. So if I enable erase mode, I have an erase tool here. Let's erase this little table. See how that works. I'm going to make my brush bigger, like so. And if I hit apply cleanup up here, bam, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, so then we can import a picture of other furniture. Let's do a little table. Takes a moment. And see, the API actually does the background removal before the image gets here. All right, so oops, I have to can clear the mask, which is another little button we got. Disable erase mode. So now we can drag our new picture with the background already erased. Right, we can also resize it. And again, this is not one of those super digital 3D rendering perspective adjusting kind of apps, right? This is really simple, basic, by the book. Give me a straight on angle. And, you know, the idea is that you can imagine the furniture there more than you could in your mind, right? I don't even know how big this table is, but you can map out how much space like the couch is, right? And you can actually sort of get a rough estimate of the size of a table like this kind of a thing. All right, let's also bring in a painting. And again, the background is already, it's going to be pre-removed for us as we built it in, right? Here's a little sample painting. Boom, cool. Okay, what we can also do in this situation is, here's the same image where we have deleted the table, the background, and this is just in the Windows image viewer, right? We can edit it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this, because doing that is going to give the background remover a much easier time of isolating our couch here. Okay, in this case, we can see that we have a different background image, and we're going to try and swap the couches out. There we go. All right, that's not too bad. Not too bad. If we want to make it a little bit better, we can continue and just redo some of the darker parts here, like this. Yeah, see, that should improve it a little bit. But then we can upload our furniture, and the background API remover is going to remove the background that we made before. It should just give us a little couch. We can resize it, even just for appearances. Right? And again, this is not a professional furniture app by any means, but if we just take it at face value, there's a lot of little functionality that you could derive out of here, right? And I just made this on my own. I'm pretty proud of this one. Let me know what you think.